Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hunter if you are new here. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure to click the red subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I turn my normal, plain, boring room into my own personal Christmas wonderland. Most of the stuff you are going to be seeing in today's video is from the Dollar Tree, meaning it costs only $1 for each of these items. So if there is something you like, there's a 99.9% chance that I got it at the Dollar Tree. If something in here is not from the Dollar Tree, I am sure to mention it in the video, so make sure to listen for that. Otherwise, everything is from the Dollar Tree and like 2 things from Marshall's. So definitely a budget-friendly Christmas room makeover. So let's get right into today's video. And guys, this video is in partnership with The Void. I have their air purifier in my room right now and I love it so much. It keeps my air so clean and so fresh. Some key features are it has 3 powerful filters which remove up to 99.97% of dust, pollen, smoke, odor, mold spores, and pet dander. You can even control it from your cell phone, guys, so it makes it super easy. And it has auto and sleep mode, so you automatically adjust the fan and speed to remain a quiet environment, so it's really nice to have on when you sleep. It's a great white noise in the background too if you like something at night. And it has an air quality monitor, so it gives you real-time updates about the air quality in your room, which is really nice because sometimes when I come home from a trip, I don't know what it is, the air quality in my room is not the best, so pop that bad boy on and it clears it all up. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, they will be having a huge sale on Black Friday on Amazon, so make sure to go check them out. There will be a link down in my description box to use on Black Friday, so if you are interested in getting a new air purifier, I highly recommend this one. So the first thing I'm going to be making over in today's video is my dresser. It is completely plain. I used to have a little bit of stuff on it, but then I kind of decluttered it, but today I'm going to be filling it with candles, a mini Christmas tree, and some Christmas decor, so let's check that out. Alright, so I got my candles up. Now I'm gonna put this Merry Christmas sign, I think right over here. I got this from Marshall's. It was pretty cheap. Only $5.99, so a really good deal. If you guys are looking for a nicer wooden sign, this is really good quality. Definitely will give me a few years use out of that. So we'll add that to the dresser, and now let's get the Christmas tree. Alright, so I want to show you guys this before I set it up. I got this at the Dollar Tree, $1 for this little Christmas tree. Also, you can get a little mini Christmas skirt and mini ornaments, which I have down in the bag over there. I will take those out in a minute, but I wanted to show you guys this before I take it out. Super cute, only $1, you can't pass it up. So I'm going to set that up on the dresser. Alrighty, excuse the mess on my dresser. The candle over there spilt wax everywhere. I need to get it off after we do this video. But the tree skirt is on, look how cute. Gotta get some ornaments on her and then put the topper on and we'll be all good to go with her.
Bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Just re-added my iconic holiday vlogs, little light up board, and here is the final picture of the little mini tree. All of this costs less than $4 at the dollar store. How cute did it come out? It looks really good on the dresser. So as you guys can see, we do have black curtains in our room, and for Christmas I was gonna put up red curtains, but I'm gonna tell you why I'm not gonna. So these are blackout curtains and they keep the room really dark in the morning, which is great because one of my biggest pet peeves is when sun gets in my eye in the morning, and I'm thinking like, if I put up red curtains, the sun's definitely gonna come through them, so I'm gonna leave the blackout curtains up for now. I'll just leave them up in general. Curtains are expensive too. I don't really wanna go out and buy curtains just for Christmas, but they did have these really cute like candy stripe, red and white striped curtains, and I'm like, oh, those would be perfect. but I think I'm just gonna leave these up. I know they don't really match the whole theme, but we're gonna do a little bit of decorating on them and try to spruce them up a little bit for Christmas.
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and light, misfortune seemed to slide. We got into a drifted bag, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Next, we are going to be moving on to my bed. For my bed, I didn't want to go out and buy a whole brand new comforter because that's really expensive, and the comforter I have now is a $500 comforter. So I definitely wasn't about to drop a couple $100s on a Christmas comforter. So I just went to Marshall's and I got a Christmas blanket, and then you guys will see what I did behind the bed if you can't already see it.
I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again.
Alright, now, so for my door, I was not going to do anything Christmas related with the door. I mean, like, it's my bedroom door, but I did have a wreath up there temporarily. But I was in the Dollar Tree and I saw this little, like, door sign or, like, door cover, and I'm like, okay, like, let me get it to add to Christmas Wonderland this year. And my husband's gonna kill me when he sees this. It's gonna be too much for him, I already know. But I put it up anyway, so let's check that out.
Angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again.
Now for the final touch, I do not know what happened to this footage, but you guys probably saw this in one of my older videos. If you haven't already seen it, I did build this shelf you're about to see, and I decorated it with a little bit of Christmas stuff, but now I've stepped it up. I got a few more Christmas decorations for it, so I definitely want to show you guys that. And I filmed me setting it all up again today, and I don't know what happened to the footage, so just bear with me here and check out the final product. And then, like you guys saw, I did add the little Santa hat that I'm wearing to the lamp in the background. Obviously it's not going to stay there, I just put it on for decoration for now, because I don't need any fires in my room. That is the last thing I need, is to burn my house down right before Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini Christmas bedroom makeover. I know it's really extreme. Well, I feel like it's not that extreme. Like, stuff is like pretty minimalistic here, but like, I kind of did a lot with like decorating the door and stuff, but you know what, you only get to celebrate Christmas one time every year, so might as well make it worth it, might as well make your room nice and cozy. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. If you haven't done so, make sure to click the red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. Leave me a comment down below. If you don't know, I respond to all of my comments, good or bad. Share this video with a friend so they can have some Christmas bedroom inspiration, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!
December again. I can't believe